Hey folks, Ash from Droning On Live. So I did a video on the main channel about flying with the FPV simulator to get your skills really homed in and start evolving them without crashing things and breaking things. And now the FPV simulator that DJI provide on iOS is not great, but you can plug your controller.
I want to watch TV now.
Oh, you can plug your controller into the computer via a massive USB cable, and then you crashed. And then play games like Liftoff. There you go, one more go before we finish. Whoa! And then play them. It's great if you connect it into your TV. This is Ellis, who's 3 years old, flying FPV. But using the same DJI controller, just plugged into via USB-C into the TV, into the computer, sorry. You can fly simulators like Liftoff, and it's absolutely brilliant. He is having such a fun time here. Hitting new altitudes, definitely flying way beyond 120 meters, that's for sure. But he's doing all right. He's kind of staying airborne. Are you having fun, Ellis?
Yeah.
Would you like to fly a real FPV drone one day?
Yeah.
You would. You can have one more go. Okay, here he goes. But highly, highly recommend if you've got this controller or any other. Most RC controllers can be plugged into a computer and used with simulators like this, like Liftoff. Look at that, he's yawing, he's using throttle control. It's not really... Ellis, try... Are you pressing that stick as well? Well done. He's definitely going to be a thumber. I think that's safe to say. But absolutely brilliant fun. And you can play this multiplayer as well. So me and a few of the guys and girls on our Discord channel are going to be hooking up and starting a room online so we can all fly this together, and that's going to be great fun. If you're not part of the Droning On Club yet, go to droningon.club and join up, because it's absolutely brilliant fun, a great community. Anyway, I'm going to leave Ellis with his FPV skills. Did you have fun, Ellis?
Yeah.
Good boy. How old are you? How many's that?
5.
You're not 5, you're 3 years old. And he's flying FPV already. Very proud papa.